chat. When me mention, I don't do with cussing.
Them look sympathy, you know, they don't want when they want back friend from the other person, they have to come back, come feed the information for where it's set.
Ivany, first of all, you see me, Ivany, you see me door friendly. You see me buck up in a real life as a TikToker. And you give me one vibes I mean like me can't know. Nobody don't have to tell me. Nobody. How much time I say, K, 6 don't like me, friend. Okay, say stop it, Diamond. I say, K, 6 don't like me. I tell her that. K, say Diamond, I say, me I tell her that. Me know in time people don't like me.
Double tap.
And that's on the first time I book him in a real life, okay, party. I bought it when I see me in a real life, I know he don't like me. I not play no match, me attack, who play a match, go on.
Double tap, chat, double tap.
You can't play match on your talk, Diamond. Play match on your talk.
How many time you play match when me attack in a life, play match, you know, man?
No, they might shoot, they not shoot, they not shoot, they don't play match.
Oh, that's a big conversation, a conversation, you come and click match.
Well, I look at that Saturday, I'm hungry. Look me and look it when I can right to it.
Hello, when this done me gone, you know, because when me have vent, me really play a match when me have vent.
Well on there. So Diamond, what happened? How you get dry in it?
Double tap.
No, because last night, me divide my opinion. So everybody that say, Roger come in and cannot chat people. So I say the only part, I say, Roger, my friend, and I know Abel before or whatever. I know him. Because they like the fact that him I say, then chat people come here and say, no, if me buck up here, me hear the chat somebody. Where we follow, we don't have to say that.
You don't mean to talk about, yeah, me understand.
You don't have to say that, just that. So a while ago, it's like him a try band time, you know, me see one script called Abel and say, oh, look here, me still love them, and my sister really like, me say, man, I talk about, oh, them I go around, oh, me go around, me not go around, me just talk the part where me not like. Because if me see you say something, me go say, okay, me not like that part, you know what, some mistake here.
But Diamond, this morning, Mackerel come on and we are talking about the argument. Me talk about the part them where me see, you understand? Make it clear, me not the personal against Abel, but the part of me see some people under my comment section start say, ah, that the woman deserve, ah, that the woman deserve. You see, as a woman, me feel that way. So me talk about the part where me feel
everybody vice them on opinion. Me vice my opinion for the chatting part.
Woman know what she do. The woman sit down and Abel and the woman sit down and shot Roger. And she woman will go back over Roger and go back over Roger. He start
me go back already and Roger.
And then him a contact news make it look like say Abel alone sit down and chat Roger. You know what woman do? The woman every time he want to go give Roger, he asks Abel say, do you think I should go give or do you have a problem? You don't have to ask Abel nothing as a big woman. I said you try to set up a youth for when the day you come, you can't have it for sure. Said the man did that try to rule of your money. A woman that crosses and she knows she do. She tries to
problem between two you. You see me, I don't get listen. You see me, I don't get friendly with no distance. No shoot on nobody.
Nobody can tell us.
Never address that part. Them in a business board apart then.
Nobody can tell
me come listen. Yes, when me come for my free mommy don't work. I got me going about my business. No shooter can call my phone and question me about
for sure no.
Cause me no walk and give up my number so. If me give up my number as a moderator and shooter, me must rate you. You never chat nobody with nobody. When me want chat people,
I know so you have some people in that world where you can manipulate them for true, you know. You have some people for true where you can like tell them what to do, but come on man. A woman with sense will have all your money, so how much pounds so somebody cannot easily tell us.
Bonnie, so you not believe in a vulnerable. You not believe that people get vulnerable. They answer that. You not believe that people lick them
not easily.
What you say? And not everybody are you, Bonnie. You may be a type of person who can defend it. As I say, me no know a woman. Me no know a woman. Me are able to have no. But
tell me that on the woman life, me ask her one question, guys. I said the woman said, can't you control your own money? I ask her, can't you the woman take me and the woman start class me tell me about when time I did go prison. So when Able did tell if you send the money come give, when you never did turn up on your 2 foot them and tell Able see your name and send him the money. You're quick to cuss me up as a woman to ask you one question if you don't have control over your own money. But when the man a call you tell you say you want 90 pounds and this, you take it fast, go give, but now you want to come run, come make it look like say you don't have a mind and your own and a smart. Hey girl, move first and go, you know what you do. She know she have blood clot. She can't fool me. She can't fool me, she know what she do. In quick for jump down my throat. When I ask him one question, he talk about my parole.
The end of the day, each everybody.
But he never sense about the money. Eh?
Alright. Barney, for me, me go talk off a screen recording with me see. Me see one screen recording where Abla say the woman vex because she knows him have him family and this and that, right? And that me see, that me I go off a. Now, and him and I never in a not no. I don't know if I didn't just take out the part there or he did address it, say them in a something. No, in a when me I go off what me see, you know.
Yeah.
This is not having anything personal against Abel. You see me, one part they splice it out and she said she did, her father did dead and whatever. This is the screen recording with me see. So she did in our vulnerable stage, Barney. And when you're in our vulnerable stage, anybody who make you feel like you're something or make you feel better or take you out of your pain, you are going to cling to that person. And I believe that is the reason why she cling to Abel. Abel was making her feel alive again after she lost her father. She felt as if this is her person, him there for her, him a do it. So the only thing she a got do as a woman, and then the back him when him call with him blood clot problem.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
No, with too much money, though. £90, I'm not so sure.
No, I never say something to you. You have some people who value their happiness over money, Barney. They may not give people, suppose she's a kind person, and she feel like, say, this man has brought me to my darkest days. I will do anything for him.
Well, you make sense.
You think like that. You have people who, because maybe money come easy for them, their sanity mean more. Love mean more than money. Because money easy for them, Barney. And you have to remember, say no, this is somebody say, she shouldn't do this and she shouldn't do that. And all of we can say it and say, me tougher than this. Not for we confide in a blood clot man. Because the moment to start confiding in a woman, they turn power with blood clot, just like what Diamond said.
Say, what you say,
no matter which line you tell you, you're going to believe because he is here for you. In the moment when you need it the most.
Picture now.
Just like
when
me.
I talk about man and woman, what you say, you make sense. Yes, it makes sense for true. But let's talk about what is the problem. That the part they are true and the part they can't. That is not a big issue right now with feeling.
And the part they need it talk about.
And Barney, you know, say Barney. You know, so that's true.
Talk about the bigger issue. All right, why she start all of this now? More than Raja got England and the woman wants to Raja England, he start all of this too. Why? No. Why could it start?
No, Barney, no, that's not true.
Story a long time. So,
that's not true.
Remember, them story a long time story, you know. So
but you have to remember this now. You have to remember this now, Barney. Based on what Raja said. Remember, say Raja and a woman. Good. Raja never know nothing. Based on what Raja said, Raja never know where the woman are able to go to or whatever.
You them at it right now.
You see me? Raja said, the woman said, he ever send a long paragraph. You see now? He ever send a long paragraph to Raja.
Social media. I bet $600.
Sometimes I have to think before you get up and pick fight. That's when people come with evidence and proof. When people come with evidence and proof, it is so different from hearsay.
You must blood
evidence and proof is so weird different than hearsay.
No way.
You have to learn with truth. Because if hearsay cannot go court, but evidence, I'm going to make you get locked the fuck up.
You don't think he need the 6 months. All you know, so the man really need the $600.
Barney, let me tell you something, Barney. Barney.
You want to hear what she says, you go back for your life?
Guys, come in.
Barney.
Guys, you take me out for 45 now.
Where you said, Barney,
if me say, Barney, you see, when I see people, when people see that part that me did wrong with him for too. Because if you see somebody come up and beg something, that you're not going to ask you something you don't really want.
Damn, at the end of the day, you can beg whatever you want, beg. And you see me, double team, double.
While you see me, anybody try to stop food over my table, me hate every life, you know.
Me a beg you know.
All right, you see, you can't do that. You can't do that. First thing, if a man come on life, come beg a thing, if you want it, you beg it. Cause you know things say man things say the whole social media look upon him say, boy, me I come beg 6 bills. What is a 6 bills? So me come beg when they know say you can go text Vani and beg Vani that in the day my Vani give you. So that means say man really want it and the man then I beg. I don't like him I beg worldwide. Him depend him platform I beg. You understand? He say
just like how what you don't want me generator.
He say tag Vanilla. He say tag Vani. He depend him platform. He say if share the live. Him a begging team. And me go over there go see my begging team and me decide so me go and call for me team and me help him. So me I make able know say you're wrong right there so.
Yeah, them two part. As me team rank for the part then. Yeah, me give him rank for the part.
So me now pick up none of them. And me can't say Raja in at this point. Raja can't wrong in a no way. You understand? Cause Raja no do nothing. So Raja no wrong in a no farmer way. Cause Raja the one where they sit down a chat. And if Raja hear one user somebody sit down a chat, he might go concuss. Raja not wrong in a no farmer way. Anybody that turn on their live and concuss too. But we are talking about Able and the woman. Able and the woman.
Right.
That's why people
see one part where Able said. Me see one part where Able said Raja should have bring it on the internet. Him should have called him. No, you have put a conversation to people on the internet. Upon the internet, people are gonna bring back the conversation. It now gonna be one secret conversation no more. When the internet people you are dealing, you have to understand that.
Right.
You have to understand that.
Thank you.
Internet people who don't make cause all of this. So internet it have go right now.
Well, me not tell no lies still, you know. Me I be honest, you know.
Guys,
yes,
somebody
we are
45, 46 now.
Listen, who just step on the platform and me can't hear nothing. Me not tell no lies still, you know. You see anything with on the media, if you're a media person, me know, but hey, me tell you something, me nobody not chat on no WhatsApp, you know. Me's all married to come chat here so loud and plain, you know. Because nobody now go say me say. And if you're not a media person, things are going to come on the media.
But that guess what going on? But guess what going yesterday when me understand? When me attack Able make me know say it's a film opinion when vice Raja no need it. And me tell Able say Able that is a hypocrite right there because guess what? You never vice the opinions on social media, you know. You vice it privately with you and Lady Louise. So you vice it privately and through the woman contact now, it's a problem. So you feel like say you're not gonna sit down and chat that with somebody because you think you trust her, but yet you still want to be friends with Raja knowing say you chat Raja. So you never expect that it would have got so. So now it got so that is why you're mad. So me as a friend I tell you say you're wrong too. Because there's no way you have your friend and you sit down and chat your friend with a gifter and then when you look at your friend gonna eat food. Yeah, your friend gonna eat food. Me tell him so that is a friend killer.
Boy, let me tell you something, boy. Let me tell you something, boy, yes, so. Nobody behind the camera. Nobody behind the camera. Everybody just come and work. Socialize and cuss. Because people don't know what is friendship.
Raja have all right to come on the media and cuss.
Guys, catch his speed, guys.
And not him alone do it. Everybody do it. Everybody chat everybody. If I say something I'm chatting up blood class. And I can call and chatting and we chatting with my friend and we say, you know, something I like when somebody do this and I like when she do that and you know, so she I'm still turning on my media, I want to send my request, I'm still play with you know, a life, nobody not perfect. A life. Enough time Vani do things and I know so enough when we sit down off of the air and say, boy, you know, something I like a Vani do that door. And when
but one thing me like with Vani,
request, you accept me.
Vani, let me tell you what me like with you. You say if you know say you're wrong, you will take you wrong. You will take you and say, all right, guy, whatever. People might say Vani this or Vani that, no, but people can have vice opinion to you, you will listen.
Guys, push up the screen.
Vani, me easy to get dark, you know. I'm tell you how me say, you say, me not like you, me not play with you, you know. Me not, you can't ask on that. Me not want nobody fault me if you play there if you not like
so me time to die, man.
You know, you fault me if you play there if you not like you, me not add you.
I people me play with all the time. And once me your blood clot fall out, me you now come back on the screen.
Yeah.
Alright.
Big people and put with difference aside.
Alright, me see me a candy, listen. Yeah, me see me a candy fall out, you know. I'm eating well about me now. Cause something, let me tell you something. You tell this me once, you can't this me twice, you know. And me go dance and see candy and now yell candy, you know, cause I'm serious, you know. And Roger say, no man die, man, stop. Go and go yell candy. Say I want to Roger, me now yell on candy and candy come and say, tap one some man die, man, whatever. Cause me tell you something, you know. Any other this me, you know. And me deep down up here. Me not deal with you, okay? Me not deal with you, okay?
Yeah.
Not deal with you. And me so man, me have up you.
True.
Guys, you double tap, please, and put up the score.
That's why I don't like go nowhere with nobody go sit down and laugh up. When me go with TikTok and
Sorry,
when me go with TikTok and me focus on my phone, because I know that people here.
Queen.
Tikere, you can't go. I mean, I can't like. When me can't go. When me can't go, I can't go to the party. I mean, okay, say sister, I say okay. We gotta drink my juice in a party. I don't know. You can't go respond. I like me, I tell K.
Party come to party.
Come and make it K one up. That's it. Me go my business that works.
Yeah.
Stop what? Stop. It's a conversation. It's an open conversation to everybody. What are you saying?
Well.
I'm not friendly, you know. These are the friendly person, you know. So you see, if you see me in a real life, I'm here, hug up you. I see me, I really make my spirit off. Me tell you all me stay. My spirit off genuinely take up a talk up here, some stay. And my spirit will take up me, we won't deal with you.
If it
I like deal with people who understand. They so only understand me. I only know some miserable only understand me. I'm more big get mad. Me tell you, see, I only want to see her so. You say me do only see me only like. Only I might not say it right, I say no. But you see, soon as we have a life, only they call me and say, Diamond, you know you did something where I didn't like, and only they tell me, man.
But like,
I want to say, all right, Onela. No, but I feel like Onela not telling mine. He might tell you now, my call as the first and foremost Diamond. You did something a little while ago, and I never liked it.
Me I tell you, Asha, they not even want to tap his cream.
So nobody feel say, when you see me Onela go at it and they game I know, you saw they done, Onela they call me phone and say, first of all, Diamond, you did something. All right, that's true, sorry. Yeah, no, but I feel like Onela not call you and tell you. Onela laugh as if phone screen click up on the
this point, guys.
You did something that I didn't like. I only tell you plain. Yeah, tell you that.
Me not like the public embarrassment. You see, if we say we are friends, I feel like we can come
with this whole situation. Me just feel like with Roger's situation, Roger not wrong in no farmer way because he not do nothing. He was if people didn't chat him.
Nobody can tell
so me feel like it told them my friend Able just apologize for you because you Louise don't chat him and you just move on. That's it, done.
Let me tell you something about Roger and people don't understand. You see Roger.
You and Louise chat.
You see Roger.
At this point. Just apologize for state your opinion. I will chat him, say if you don't want to accept it, I want to move on and it done this so. That's all.
Let me tell you about Roger. Roger just ignorant and dark and just chat like come on time. But you see Roger is genuinely like people. All of you chat up him out. Roger genuinely have a little nice friendliness about him, loud as a CB, and Roger genuinely like people. Yeah. So all you say, I use better use them back, he not use back nobody. He not use back nobody, he just a chat to a customer account. Roger genuinely like friendly.
Upset. If we're being honest, guys, and I don't know if he's focused, this is not the first time he's heard like that Able saying this. Telling somebody
I'm trying to come off of 46. And this morning, I call them tell you, he hands up, guys. Catch a speed. I want triple.
500. Not the
speed. You couldn't wait. Guys, catch a triple. Catch a triple. Two hands on. Miss Anulu, kiss me again now. Kiss me again.
Not because it's nothing more except for his sickness, because he felt like he could have died, and if it was
all right, yes, see, what me get funny? Only like CMT me get funny. You know what me get funny? He must say he could have went. Our body he must say he could have dead. And then he ever go say not that we, but just that body most of all.
Yeah, you can't do that. And a sick person. That's what I ever say. I'm wrong yesterday for that. But him say I'm opinion. Him advice privately.
Vani, me can't sit down and say right now in a Vani and I play with you, you know. And me pain a kill me, you know. Me can't sit down and say with pain a kill me. Part of me a tell you, and me sit down and say I don't know.
Yeah.
Vani, how much time I come by and me bag a load of problem and me heart heavy and me just play normal, like everything good.
So you can't tell me about 45.
But you know what the worst thing?
You can't see people face and know if people.
You know what the worst thing? He was begging on his own platform.
But let me tell you something more, Roger. Roger kind of have one bougie upscale when I get to style. Let me tell you, see, Roger bossy. You see, if Roger having money, Roger nah beggy. Nah beggy.
Money me now come from TikTok up.
Nah beggy.
You know how much time me dey on TikTok and I make a little change and me no come back like for days. And when me broke, me come back like
for stay to Vani. That's how me stay to. If me come by and me get one little money
down. You can't see me again and play a match. Me sit down and chat for you all day and I play a match. And I take match serious. And when me broke again, me come back and start play a match. So you can't tell a man say when he come for you beg, him not really want it. I can't say that.
That's some mistake. If me play, me feel like say, me make my market money already, and me make my supermarket money. And me don't feel like the come back, come play, me not come back. That's some mistake. And sometimes when I say, damn, man, now come on, me boy. I don't know me not the vibe. You say, no, me lie with Onela.
Some more time, Diamond. That's why I'm glad me get my work permit for me can go school, go look one work. Sometimes I don't want to come on TikTok and play.
Me too, because over here too disgraceful and bring down.
Which Crystal is? See with Crystal? Crystal, come in.
Every day I say Onela say. Every day I say Onela is a good thing. Say me have.
I feel like I come here. Sometimes
I have me little dancing skill because me not really want over here. Onela no get me to that enough time to say Onela me say. Me not really want come over here say no come here to do disgraceful me. You not give me no vibe with the energy. And Valley for me, we are Instagram people. And I see you come at TikTok. See me come at TikTok, me get so much Instagram. Me don't get disrespect at Instagram. Not so much, yes sir. And you see, I know TikTok, Valley member say, me make money for my Instagram. Me have my why so many of them get Valley where we get paid pan like this?
Queen, take me have a
me have my badge. I mean have badge. Have badge.
Yeah, over TikTok.
I have my badge over TikTok. Me have my badge on Instagram. See me when I send my money gonna say you can buy one badge $1. You can't buy one batch $10. You can't buy one batch $2,000. I see me like yes so. It's just true because yes so we dry and I say. What time we do Instagram with the pan? Guys support the batch. Over here someone disrespectful. I'm not really fancy over there. Because also other people
the disrespect is real over here so for true. Bomba with that 44.
You know what we like with Instagram? You have to work for your followers then. You understand, Vani? You have to work hard to get your followers. And like a yasto, you have to work hard for. Nobody can just come and click Instagram live and make money so. That's why nobody...
You know me eat, them love to say, well, when TikTok lockdown, where you're going to do what? We were doing something before TikTok.
Yeah.
All of us.
Making their money before TikTok.
Yeah, so if the lockdown, you go back to where we used to go back to.
Of course it helped, but we didn't make money before TikTok.
Everybody we have
but TikTok account, when you're 100K, the TikTok page still there right now. Before me even know some money could have make me all have million views on the page right now. I'm still didn't make money before that. There was YouTube, there was Instagram. People them look up us the same way. Them sell them this, them sell them that.
Double tap chat.
People them just look a bit bad man.
Guys, me I sell body spray.
If TikTok, Vani, if TikTok gone a morning, me and you can be with different pages, we have different liberty. Me a dancer, me do clothes, me do selling. Me do promote.
Diamond, it was
so fast.
TikTok lockdown tomorrow. We are gonna figure out the blood.
Yeah. No, anyway. Let me tell you something. Anyway, Missy hustling. I dare me there. Anyway, I dare me there. So if tomorrow morning a new app come and they say hustling over there stop me, me a go get her.
Bonnie, me never tell us so when the PN lick you for call me. Send me PN video them where you go through.
Miss blood clot all in my mind. It's case when I just come on, Mr. K.
Yeah, guys, I only sell here, guys.
Hey, when me know some wake up.
Yeah.
Never feel after that when you have give birth. Me say me ball.
Body, move. Body.
Never give me something for drink. One red something out of one cup for drink. 2 times and give me for drink like I want.
Body, but breast not hot body. Oh, you wicked son.
Clot.
Here, woman.
Hey. When I wake up, man, my time mate, I say, where I feel the pain. I feel like a pain wake me up still.
Bonnie, breast don't hot.
Guys, push up the floor there, please.
Breast not hot. Breast are just discomfort. Me the things I want BBL you never get. Breast not hot.
No, most time you get the BBL after.
Okay.
After me will get BBL. Me have to do my breast first. Because remember, you know, you can put on weight in your body, you know, but once your breast then long, your breast just long. You can't.
That look like you do on 36C.
Dirty girl sweet face. Me see you in a able comment section that talk about all diamond. You lose over them because them a pick side. Me no pick side with nobody, me a straightforward people. And if me talk, any one of them me talk, if Roger around me, I tell you, if Gabriel around me, I tell you. Dirty sweet face, I want you come back over here. Or you come back over here nasty, don't know, you come back over here. But all diamond, she will lose her for. Lose her for who? Lose her for me, if you talk truth. Lose her for me if you talk truth. Lose her for me if you talk truth.
That I want to see.
If Roger says do me not like boy Able, me go say Roger me not like. I Able says sit down and lose off. And then I didn't nobody not put on my pot. And I said time me own a pot.
If you need 400, I want to see cup Brazil, you're still the pot. Your best then not too.
And I said time me own a pot. Stinking sweet face. Nobody not set on my pot, you know. Me just, I said time me own a pot. Me now you me don't pack knock on nobody here. So end of the day, anything when I want to say out of my mouth, up to me. Because I don't live on no girl yard and no boy yard and anything I want to say, but all them a pick side. When me a split justice, me talk justice. You think me like friend? Me no response about nobody, you know. You know, sister, me alone. Who never see me come on live one day and my background full of girl. Every time you don't see me on live, me alone, you don't see. Never girl not come on my yard.
See I'm a fridge top to the bread.
One day, me no like friend, me no keep company. Me never like man and me yard people, nobody. Me stay by myself.
Guys, double.
Diamond. How are you dirty? Sweet face. We are to the mother gone. We're angry, yo.
Yeah.
And then you them also.
Guys, push you up my team. Push me up the team.
I want to, me tell you something. You say me I got dance. Me got dance by myself.
I know say you want to send me something, huh?
Me not party.
Me out like 40s, no my team.
You know where I come sweet face about all diamond she. Hey girl, sweet face, me want catch her back over here, dirty girl. Dirty nasty, no more. Dirty girl, me want catch her back over all diamond she. Sweet face, you got talk about you lose her family like me ever beg her something. Hey girl, me come here door, we come back and want to salt here, dirty girl. Hey girl, no boy no girl no sit down. No boy no girl sit down my part. Anything I want to
them there in the chat.
Big woman. Me a big
something in the something from my place.
Who no want deal with me, no have to deal with me. Who no want deal with me, don't have to deal with me. Because I'm not a friend. First of all, nobody part up on a friend. Every man does come and play. We are just associate over here, so associate.
You're my blood clot friend. You're my friend. So nobody come to one. You're my friend.
No, that me mean, Kay. Like, when we listen to people, I say people, I say.
As evil as Barney this year, I'm a local friend.
Hey.
I want to hear sweet face.
Oh, my sweet
face. Hey, ask Onela. When me call Onela, I say, Onela, me there the place. Come on.
Somebody snipe this one?
Me call Onela car. Me and Onela bench and batty.
It's a full year go, me
call Onela when he come. Me there by myself, I do my own thing. And me only feel somebody hug up me. But when the crowd there, so me there by myself, me always there by myself, I do my own thing.
Not love everybody. Double tap chat and send gifts.
Nothing na.
Thank you guys.
Mommy gang, come on angle sweet face. More angle dirty nasty fuck out sweet face. Sweet face, you they go like say me say sweet face, don't give me a money gun. Dirty sweet face. Sweet face, you they go like say you all diamond she lose her. You can't lose her for me, girl. Girl, if you want to lose weight, don't go get a man problem and lose weight. You can't lose her for me, dirty girl.
Man problem, if you lose weight for train a man problem, devious man.
So when if my belly I get big, I mean I want my surgery match up. I just go have a man problem and lose weight.
See him so.
I'll put your ear glue, you see?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I'm busy the woman coming on the one. One time I see Mary go shoot for me. Let me tell you something, Kay. I don't know about no gift. I don't care about no gift. I don't gift and no conversation. You say me don't play for the streaming about my business. No gift I can't come and tell me about nobody. I don't want to hear nothing about nobody. You know much banter me over here, so. You know much banter me get over here, so. You know much clinician have people. You know much clinician have people that tell who people don't show.
We have them too. How do you rank us? Rub me out and say, if you come up by blood clot up, because they don't know. Remember me that said, Onela, they don't know when I'm over here. The more that time I on TikTok, I never got number 1 or top 10 yet.
Me a screenshot.
I'm never trouble that this fuck girl.
Me a screenshot. One of the biggest shooter.
And that's your one. Rest in that chest. Move your dirty blood clot. Where you put that? Where? It's swelling soon, done.
Hey, my friend, now me see breast them big. See me I look a while, I'm not coming. I want to start big now.
Yeah, so gone.
Oh, me start fret.
And sometimes I don't nobody me see me eat them big. So me I say then, I say me go like a handicap.
It's swelling soon, done. Why me love the plastic surgery? It look like I want medicine.
Me not even keep, let me tell you something. You see my dance? Yeah, you see my dancing partner them, K. Only when me a go road, me call him. Me no have a people in my yard, me no have a... You never notice, K. You never see me on the screen.
22 rows, team. Guys, 22 rows now? Guys, send one perfume and see if we can catch this. One perfume. My God.